District Mental Health Program District Health Society NHM Chandel Nistinduna ngasi Chandel District ki Kapam Village da laiba South East Manipur Higher Secondary School da World Mental Health Day gi thoram pangthokre. Make mental health and well-being for all a global priority haiba theme da pangthokiba program aduda Deputy Commissioner Chandel Mayang Lambam Rajkumar District Hospital Chandel gi Medical Superintendent Dr. Joyson Matthew Monsang amasung South East Manipur College ki governing body ki member su oiriba SEMCO ki Assistant Professor MS Sweetie Royal Moyonna athoiba mitung thauram apu amasung akhannaba mitung sing oiki. Thauram aduga mari leinana District Mental Health Program Chandel gi Psychiatric Social Worker Dr. M. Susil Kumar na nungi oiba warol piraduna thauram asi pangthokpagi maramda amadi Make Mental Health and Well-being for All a Global Priority haiba theme asigi matangdasu sugaina wafam kaya thamki. Thauramatuda District Mental Health Program Chandel gi District Nodal Officer su oiriba District Hospital Chandel gi Senior Consultant Psychiatrist Dr. K.H. Robindrona Resource Person oina saruk yaduna mental health ki matangda mahairoi singda wangangki tungda mahairoi singi oiba open quiz competition amasu pangthoktuna mana mathum sing yenthoki. Thauramadu ki athoiba mitungi warol piraduna DC Chandel M. Rajkumar na haikibada aikoi khunimak physical health khaktanatana mental health su yamna maru oi physically mentally amadi spiritually sound oina leinaba honabiyu chang naina ngamdrabasu ayamba matamda hakchang check tokthokadabani aikhoida anaba ama yaruklaba kanda doctor da chatpana ayambani madugi mahutta toina check tawgadabani aikoi isada ahenba pressure piroidabani haiki aikoi maning haloidabani mang thana adumak chatkadabani positive thinking ama yauraga chatnaba honagadabani pressure mayam ama lakani madu mayam adu manage tawnaba honagadabani.
There are maybe so many setbacks but there is a purpose. There is a purpose, and the purpose in the last thing I have to see, why I'm mentioning all these points, and the story, the program, struggle, the ego, our life is precious. You cannot unwind the clock. But the positiveness, the positive energy, yes, stress, pressure, anxiety, problem, I think we have to manage